Come with us to discover the newest Bib Gourmand gems from the Michelin Guide 2025 Kyoto, Osaka. First up, Men Kichi in Kyoto. This ramen joint offers a unique experience. Their signature and only dish is kombu ramen, crafted without any sauce or artificial flavoring. Next, we visit Komedokoro Inamoto, affectionately known as the place of rice. This izakaya celebrates Japan's staple grain with freshly cooked white rice that's the stuff of legends. At Saryo Tesshin, Soba noodles take center stage with a creative twist, with dishes like Daigo Soba, where the cold noodles are adorned with a generous snowfall of Parmigiano Reggiano cheese. Crossing over to Osaka, Tenboshi offers a tempura experience that's both intimate and exquisite. Standout dishes include the unique tempura hamburger, crisp on the outside and succulently tender on the inside. And then there's Prestao, a fresh face on Osaka's Italian dining scene. Opened in spring 2023, this restaurant has quickly garnered acclaim for its refined yet approachable dishes. Check out the full list of Bib Gourmand restaurants in Kyoto and Osaka on the Michelin Guide website. Your gastronomic adventure awaits.